This pufferfish is determined to get the food. Meet Barry, the buck-toothed pufferfish with more personality than half the people on the internet. Today, he spots a crayfish, but it's outside his tank. He puffs up, wiggles, and stares like it's some impossible treasure he must have. Nothing can stop him. Not glass, not distance, not physics. Barry is on a mission, plotting every move with hilarious focus. Finally, his owner drops the crayfish in the tank, and Barry chomps it like a tiny determined champ. Victory never looked so funny.